Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is April the 10th on a Thursday. Impressive move yesterday. Now we are seeing a decent little gap down today, which is doesn't really surprise me after that move. Typically, after a day like a monster day like yesterday, you may get some pullback and some digestion. Could be a narrow range day, so not really coming in with excitement that the market's just going to keep ripping. But anyway, don't be surprised if we see some more volatility. But let's take a look at some setups. I mentioned yesterday silver. I'm still liking silver. I see gold up here flirting, gapping up, flirting with all-time highs in gold. Silver is trading, like I said, a 100 to 1 ratio, which is very rare. Uh, so I'm calling silver. I called it yesterday at 28.03, I believe, but 28.24 would be the trigger today, and basically just taking out yesterday's high, getting back above that 200. Can I think we may see a gap build pretty quick if that happens in SLV. A couple of China stocks that I bought yesterday and looking to add to my position just because I like where they are on the um, daily chart. This FINV came down, had a nice little bottoming tail. I was able to pick up some uh, yesterday on the support level and looking for it to break not 811 to add to my position there. So 811 would be the trigger. Love that little bottoming tail there. Another one is VNET. VNET was a high flyer. It got as high as $16. Pulled back to its 200 yesterday. Fortunately, was watching that and actually bought some, looking for a bar reversal. So in that VNET 646 would be the trigger. Basically taking out yesterday's high. Nice little volume bar yesterday. And the last one is SPRY. SPRY has been holding up. SPRY has been holding up pretty. You can see it's pretty nasty and volatile. Maybe you want to consider buying on pullbacks. But anyway, a break above that 1380, could get it going back up to this $15 level. So look for a 1380 trigger there in SPRY. All right, guys, keep it tight. Could be, like I said, could be a sloppy and narrow range day. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.